If you want to download all of your photos and files from OneDrive at once, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Instead of downloading everything one by one, you can select all of your files in just a few clicks and get a single zip file saved to your device. This is a great method if you're backing up your account, moving files to a new computer, or just want an offline copy of everything stored in OneDrive. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go to the OneDrive website and sign in with the Microsoft account that contains the photos and files you want to download. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your OneDrive dashboard where all of your cloud files are stored. From here, look for the section called My Files. This is where your documents, photos, folders, and other uploads are listed. If you want to download everything in your OneDrive account at once, this is the place you need to be. Make sure you're in the main file area and not inside a random folder, unless you only want to download the contents of that specific folder. Now comes the key step. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A if you're using a Windows PC or Command+A if you're on a Mac. This will select all the files and folders currently visible in My Files. You should see everything highlight, which means it's ready to be downloaded together. If you have a lot of files, give it a moment to make sure the selection is complete. Once everything is selected, go to the top menu and click Download. OneDrive will start preparing your files. Depending on how many items you selected and how large they are, it may take a few moments to create the download package. In most cases, OneDrive will compress everything into a zip file so it can be downloaded in one batch. After that, just wait for the zip file to finish creating and downloading to your computer. If your browser asks where you want to save the file, choose a folder that's easy to find, like Downloads or Desktop. When the download completes, you can open the zip file and extract your photos and files whenever you're ready. If your OneDrive contains a very large number of files, the process may take longer, so be patient. Also, if you only want to back up a certain folder, you can open that folder first and then use the same select all and download method. That way, you can control exactly what gets saved. And that's it. You've now downloaded all of your OneDrive photos and files at once using a simple built-in method. No extra software, no complicated steps, and no need to download each file individually. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.